You've had a perfect sunny day at the park, but the second you say, time to go, the world absolutely explodes. The authoritarian approach uses threats like, I'm leaving you here, while the gentle parenting trap involves constant pleading for one more minute. Both failed to establish a healthy boundary. This strategy takes a different path, merging high warmth with a confident, unmoving structure to handle transitions without the power struggle. By understanding the biology behind a tantrum, we can use a two-step routine to leave any fun place with your boundaries and your sanity intact. Stopping play is a neurological earthquake for a child. Their logic center, the prefrontal cortex, is not developed enough to easily switch gears from peak stimulation to the boredom of a car seat. When playing, they receive a constant flow of dopamine. When play stops, dopamine crashes. The amygdala registers this emotional loss as a threat, triggering fight or flight. While they biologically fight for dopamine, you face a surge of stress hormones triggered by public embarrassment. Before approaching your child, regulate yourself first. Take a deep breath, visualize a sturdy brick wall, and recite this script internally. My child is overwhelmed, not manipulative. I am their safe harbor. Effective de-escalation is only possible if your own nervous system remains calm. You cannot settle a child's threat response if you are signaling panic yourself. Shouting commands from across the playground creates panic. Instead, walk over, drop to their eye level, and offer physical warmth. This physical proximity and steady tone offer a predictable signal to the child's brain, which helps lower the biological urge to fight. Validate their feelings of loss immediately. Say, I see your body holding tight to the swing. Your eyes look worried that the fun is over. Or, it is so hard to stop when you are having fun. Avoid telling them to calm down. Instead, use the word and to merge validation with the boundary. We will come back another day, and it is time to go to the car now. This connect and state step identifies you as a safe harbor to the child's amygdala, transforming the exit into a guided transition. The second step is the concrete redirect. This shifts the brain's focus from the abstract loss of the park to a tangible new beginning. This provides autonomy within a firm structure. Ask a toddler if they want to hold the car keys. Ask a preschooler to choose the car music, or ask an older child to race you to the gate. If the child's nervous system is already highly dysregulated and they cannot process words, move to physical grounding activities. Deep pressure tasks provide proprioceptive input that resets the nervous system. Have them carry a heavy water bottle, offer a tight bear hug, or suggest they frog jump to the exit. A full response sounds like this. It is hard to leave when you are playing. And it is time to go home. Do you want to hold the keys or choose the music? Giving a child a concrete physical task provides a grounding anchor. This interrupts the brain's panic cycle and transforms resistance into focused momentum. This two-step framework also applies to high-stress environments, like the morning school run. Execute step 1 at the front door. Before reaching for coats and shoes, get down on their level for a 20-second hug to preemptively fill their connection cup. Execute step 2 by assigning a specific physical morning task, such as being the person who pushes the elevator button or carries the lunchbox. Use security phrases to ease morning separation. Say, our house will be right here waiting for us, or let's say see you later to your toys. The framework applies across different settings because every transition, from the playground to the living room, represents a vulnerable emotional handoff. We have now covered the core components of the strategy: the dopamine crash, adult stress regulation, validating with the word and physical redirection. Remember, public meltdowns are a symptom of a rapidly growing brain in an overscheduled world, not a failure of your parenting. Screenshot the provided scripts to help you implement this two-step routine today, and hit the subscribe button for more parenting strategies. Ultimately, mastering transitions relies on you being the steady, reliable anchor in your child's chaotic world.